Hey there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In this video, we will write down one JavaScript program that will calculate multiplication and division of two numbers. So, let's get started. First of all, we need to create one form in HTML. Let's say we have one form and first number, okay, with first number, we need input type is equal to number, or you can take type is equal to text, okay, with id first underscore number and input field close. After that, let me add one BR so it looks good. Okay. After that, we require another input field. Let me copy the second number. Okay. The ID will be second number. Okay. After that, we will require two buttons. Okay. Let's add input type is equal to button, and we will require on click event. We will add it later. So with input we need value, and let's say first is multiply. Okay, so this is the input field, and same another input field will be there with divide. Okay, so we will have these numbers 2, 4, and these two buttons. When user click on multiply button, it will show result here somewhere on the screen, and when user click on divide, it will divide these two numbers and show here. To display the result, let's add one paragraph, and the result is keep it like this. Here you can give one span and id is equal to result, so it will show result here. Okay, this was the part for HTML. Let's go to JavaScript. Here, when user click on this multiply, we need to call one function on click. Okay, on click, we will call one function called multiply. Okay, and we will define this function in JavaScript. So let's use the ES6 syntax for that. Okay, so constant multiply is equal to function, and here we will take two numbers. First number is equal to document dot get element by id. Okay, here id will be first number, so first number dot value. Okay, this is number one. For number two, it will be num2. Second number is id and value, and whatever the result will come, document dot get element by id. The result id is there, dot result dot inner html is equal to number 1 into number 2. Okay, and this is the function. So let's see. Number 1 is 4, let's say. Number 2 is 5, and when you click on multiply, it should show the 20 here. Why it is not showing? Let's see. Because number 1 is not defined. Yes, of course, because we need to define it. Now let's see. Number 4, 5 multiply 20. Right? Let's say 6 into 8 multiply 48, right? So multiply is working fine. Same as multiply, we need another function. Divide is equal to function. We will use the same variables, and the expression will be different only here. Okay, here number 1 divided by number 2, and result will be same. So for number 1, let's say 60, and number 2 is 10. Click on divide. It is not showing because, let's just check it. Yeah, because we haven't called this function here. On click is equal to divide. We need to call this function on click event. So let's see, 60 divided by 10, and it should show 6. Right. Let's take 2 divided by this 2, it's 2. 40 divided by 2, 20, and multiply is 18. So multiply and divide is working fine. So this is a very basic HTML JavaScript program that you can use when you are asked to write down a program to calculate the multiplication and division of two numbers. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. If you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you.